the validity of metal assessments was so strong that, I would say out of that 80% that I did, almost 75% people would have been bang on. Exactly the kind of people that I want. At Modern, what we have used, we in fact started with our sales hiring through Metal. We were actually building an entire mini organization. That's where we began. Just started into our expansion into a new category. We had to build an entire sales force, almost a team of about 150 people. And the key ask was to be able to get people who had preset behavior that would help us get to results that we wanted in the time that we wanted. So we needed a sort of benchmarked talent. So that is what got us to in search of an assessment partner who could get us the sales force, which could answer to our needs of targets and trying to get to our results that we had to. What I liked about Metal was the flexibility with which your assessment. So I could choose my own questions. Of course, I had a given competency base, but I could put it together in the definitions that we had. So there were no generic definitions to a competency that I had. I could choose how I wanted it to be read, and the reports again were friendly both for the assessor as well as the assessee. So in fact, I think we even got a sort of a warm response from people who we didn't even hire, which actually gave us a good word of mouth around, because we could share the reports with them, even the people that we didn't go ahead and hire. But the reports were good, which helped them as well understand our reasons for making certain decisions that we wanted to. This is how we went in. We test modeled Metal. We did a couple of assessments with Metal, and we did it with some other partners. So whichever gave results which both my business head, me as well as the hiring manager could understand and put together, kind of settle it. What we definitely saw, so we'd already started building our team even before I could partner with Metal, right? So we'd done some hiring before that, and then we did most of our, about say 80% of our hiring through Metal. And to be very honest, the productivity, the visible productivity of people whom we hire through Metal was one, at the same level and predictable. And second, it was better than my first 20%. There are some decisions that you make, other than assessments, or at times even assessments can mislead you to a certain extent. But the validity of Metal assessments was so strong that I would say out of that 80% that I did, almost 75% people would have been bang on. Exactly the kind of people that I want. There were at times debates where managers would say, hey, listen, I've seen this guy before, while your test is rejecting him, or not so much as rejecting, but pointing out issues which I never saw in the guy. So we've even had these challenges where we told the managers, fine, we will allow you to hire the individual even though our assessment tells us not to. And those managers have come back saying, hey, the assessments were right. And I think that just built in greater credibility of the entire tool process. It's been swift. It has been very, we've been able to reach out to somebody always. There has been an in-person interaction. At the same time, when I met your consultant team, who do the entire back end of design meetings, they're extremely knowledgeable. So they're aware of what the client asks is. So it's not like your front-end team is the one who's talking clients and the others are only talking assessments. No, your back-end team is equally customer-centric. So it has been quite fulfilling in that end. So I was never left wanting of saying, hey, listen, this part of my ask did not get sorted. So that's been a clear joy. And of course, I think the entire speed at which you guys work, I mean, at least to a business like mine, it really matters. Because for me, everything has to happen in the time that we talk.